Good morning, students. Welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today, I, Taruna Saini, will continue the same exercise, that is 9.3, and today we will discuss three more sums. And the topic is the triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. So, let us recap. If this is a parallelogram, and suppose these two parallelogram lying on the same base and between the same parallels, then both have same area, their ratio is 1:1. And if we talk about the triangles, if the two triangles lying on the same base, then these triangle will also have the same area. But if we talk about that we have a parallelogram and we have a triangle, then triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. So 1:2 will be the ratio. Okay, 1:2 will be the ratio. So let us discuss question number 8. XY is a line parallel to BC. XY is a line parallel to BC of a triangle ABC. ABC and BE parallel AC. BE parallel AC and CF parallel AB. CF parallel AB. Meet at X, Y at E and F. यहाँ F आएगा. E and F. E और F पर मीट करते हैं. आपको बताना है ए बी ई का एरिया दिस मच इक्वल टू ए सी एफ दिस मच. आपको ये एरिया आपस में क्या दिखाना है, इक्वल दिखाना है. तो क्या होगा, this line is parallel, this line segment is parallel to this line segment, and in the question it is also given that this is parallel to this. So can we say that this is a parallelogram? Yes. Now if I talk about that this is parallel to this line segment, and in the question XY is parallel to BC, so this is also a parallelogram. Okay, now can you see that both of them lie on the same base? So this red parallelogram and this blue parallelogram have equal area because they lie on the same base and they are within the same parallel lines. So I can write that area of parallelogram XBCF is equal to area of parallelogram BECY. This is your number 1. Now if we talk about that this is a parallelogram and suppose this is a triangle, this parallelogram and this triangle, both blue triangle and blue parallelogram have the same area as they lie on the same base and this line is parallel to this. So area of ABE is equal to area of BECY. Again the reason remains the same, both lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines. Now if you talk about this base and this triangle, again both lie on the same base. So area of ACF equal area of XBCF. The reason again behind this is that both lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines. So from first, second and third, what do you observe? XBCF and BECY have the same area. So if they are from first, second and third, we observe that ABE has area equal to ACF. From first, second and third, we observe that ABE equal ACF. यही तो प्रूफ कर रहे थे. Okay. Firstly, blue parallelogram and red parallelogram have the same area. Then this blue triangle and blue parallelogram have same area. Then this red parallelogram and red triangle have the same area. And then this red and blue triangles have equal in area. Now next question is question number 9. The side AB of a parallelogram, this side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is produced to point P. It is produced to P. A line through A and parallel to CP. A line through A and parallel to CP. Parallel to CP. Meet CB at Q. Then parallelogram PBQR. It is given that parallelogram PBQR. And it is also given that ABCD is a parallelogram. Show that these have equal area. What you have to show? That ABCD and PBQR have the same area. You have to prove this, that these two parallelograms have same area. So what we do? Let us have a diagram. So how will you prove it, beta? Join AC, join PQ. Now in the question it is given that AC parallel to CP, also AQ parallel to CP, also AQ is the same base. So I can write that ACQ and ACQ and APQ have the same area. Both lie on the same base and between the same parallel. This ACQ and this APQ have the same area. Join it. Area of ACQ is equal to area of APQ. Now, if from these two area, I will deduct this middle part because it is common to both. It is common to both. I will subtracting area A, B, Q from both sides. अब ACQ में से ABQ माइनस कर दो और APQ में से ABQ माइनस कर दो. ACQ में से जब ABQ माइनस किया तो क्या बचा? ABC. और इधर से जब इसमें से ये ब्लू वाला पोर्शन माइनस किया तो पिंक वाला बचा एरिया PBQ. अब आप देखो ABC तो पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया का हाफ है, हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ABCD. और PBQ भी किसका हाफ है? हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ PBQR. हाफ से हाफ कैंसिल. यही प्रूफ करना था. एरिया ऑफ ABCD इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ PBQR. सबसे पहले हमने सेम बेस और सेम पैरेललोग्राम पर ट्रायंगल्स लिए, सेम बेस लिया, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया हमने इक्वल दिखाया. फिर हमने ये बीच वाला रीजन सबट्रैक्ट कर दिया तो हमारे पास बच गया ABC, इधर से बच गया PBQ. अब ये जो एरिया है ये पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया का हाफ है और ये वाला जो एरिया है ये इस पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया का हाफ है. हाफ से हाफ कैंसिल और आपको ये दोनों इक्वल हो गए पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया. You can take screenshot of this solution. I will also provide you PDF of this question. Yes, now we will have a look on the next question. Diagonal AC and BD. This is AC and this is BD. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD. This is a trapezium. And AB parallel to DC. Intersect each other at O. Prove that AOD, this area is equal to this. So what we will do, since this is parallel to this and also have the same base, so what can you write? That area ACD is equal to area BCD. Both lie on the same base and between the same parallels. If I subtract the common region, subtracting area DOC from both sides, this is the common region. I am subtracting this common region. So what do you get? You are left with area of AOD and area of BOC. C. And you have to prove this. Okay, write reason in the bracket and then you solve. What we have taken earlier, firstly we have taken same base, same parallel lines. So this ACD is equal to this ABC, BCD. Then we subtract the common region, this much common region I subtracted. Then what is left over? AOD and BOC. And we have to prove this. Thank you so much. God bless you.